Just going to do a quick room tour of the Malmaison here in Brighton. So to start things off, we'll go straight into the bathroom as it's just to my left. So follow me into the bathroom. So it's quite a spacious bathroom. You've got a couple shower here with like the waterfall kind of shower head. A huge sink. Some nice toiletries in there as well. And you've also got your toilet, which is situated just behind this doorway here. So you've got a toilet in there. So if you come into the bedroom, I quite like this bedroom. It's quite modern and chic, like a boutique hotel. And so in here, quite a large bed. And thankfully you've got plug sockets either side with USB chargers in too. A large flat screen TV just located opposite the bed with, I don't know, would you sit on this? I don't know, it looks a bit too narrow for me anyway. And we've got some snacks down here which look quite expensive, so let's have a look. So you've got some dark chocolates, you've got some nuts, and there you go, let you see the price. So £2 for a rice cake, wow. Spicy mix £3.95, Coca-Cola £2.50. We've also got some wines up here as well, so £10.95 for this one, and the Malbec behind, £30 for the bottle. It's quite expensive. And we've got a desk area, again with more USB plugs. Got an in-room dining menu, so that you kind of look at that if you want to. This is our view, we haven't got a sea view. Oh, that's heavy. We've just got a view of a cliff out the window. You can get a sea view, but I think it was £50 more for a sea view for today. So we decided to stay just in this room instead. And here you've got a large cupboard. We've got your kettle, tea, coffee. You've got a large safe as well. And you've got your stocked minibar. You've also got an iron board and an iron and a hairdryer in there too. So this cost us £90 for the night. Parking is free, but you have to park over in the marina. It's a large car park, although it says 4 hours maximum, they just said just park in there, you're fine, so we're parked in there overnight. And so yeah, this is the room tour here at the Malmaison Brighton.